Ever taken a bite of a really good cake? Maybe your grandma made it or a best friend. Maybe you got it from the local bakery on the corner down the street from your apartment. And it was just the perfect balance of moist and flavorful, and the texture was so great. And you thought, how did they do this? Because I know it's from scratch. There must be some magic behind it. There's really not. It's mostly science and environment and just really being able to follow a recipe. Even if you're totally new and you've never made anything from scratch before, that's okay. I'm gonna walk you through recipes. I'm gonna show you everything you would need to get started, all the equipment, the ingredients, and even if you don't eat the cake right away, how to store it. This class is full of information about baking cakes from scratch, and I know that it'll give you the confidence you need in your own kitchen. So enroll in Master Cake Baking, the complete introduction today.